Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to upload YouTube videos to TikTok. So first of all, you have to launch YouTube app on your mobile device. Then just search for the video you wish to upload on TikTok. So this is the video here. Now over here you have to simply screen record this video. So you can see I'm already screen recording. Now after the screen recording has been done, simply go back and then open TikTok on your mobile. Then from here, tap on the plus button at the bottom. Now go to upload and then choose the video or screen recording that you have recently done of the YouTube video. So this is the video I have recorded. Let's tap on next. And over here, you can make certain changes according to your choice to your video. So now you can increase or decrease the length of the video. You can crop the video like this. You can also crop the video like this. Just go to the option of crop and then crop it according to your choice. You can remove the extra background like this. Then tap on save. Now from the various options given below, you can also rotate your video according to your choice. Just tap on rotate and then you will be able to rotate your video before uploading it to TikTok. Now tap on the option of next at the top right corner after editing the video. Then after this, you can upload this YouTube video to your TikTok account. Also, there are certain third-party applications that you can download that will allow you to directly download YouTube videos to your mobile devices, and then you can upload those videos to your TikTok account accordingly. So this is it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.